Hello, I'm Mr. Zach, and welcome to my quick setup video on how to label your keys. There's a pattern on the keyboard that we need to find a set of 2 black keys versus 3 black keys, like that. Sounds rotten, but all we need to do is find 2 black keys in a row, and we're gonna put the letter D, not at the bottom of the key, but up top, so our fingers don't rub the label. And if you have a dry erase marker, this is one of the best ways to label the keys. I would like to put a big capital letter up toward the top, and obviously I have mine already up here, but I would put that at the very top if I didn't already have a label there. And then go ahead and find a few of those sets of 3 black keys. Put the letter D. And then the pattern is actually very easy. So right before the letter D would be C, B, A, like that. So you can kind of climb backwards. And then after the letter D, it goes in order. You can see A, B, C, D, and then E, F, and G. And you can repeat that pattern across all the other spots. And if it worked right, you'd always have 3 empty ones that would now have A, B, C, D, and then E, F, G. And that's all you need to label your keys. For young beginners, it's good enough just to do the middle 2 or 3 octaves or sections of the keyboard. If you want to go ahead and do the full keyboard while you're at it, you might as well. And if you have any questions, just let me know, and let's be playful. Good job. Bye.